Namaste viewers, welcome to Sunita's Kitchen Stories. Today I am going to prepare a veg biryani using hyacinth beans, peeled hyacinth beans. Ingredients for this are rice, washed and kept, hyacinth beans peeled 1 bowl, turnip 1 bowl, carrot half a bowl, beans half a bowl, 2 tomatoes, coriander leaves 1 bowl, one small in a half small bowl half the sambar onions, 1 bowl of pudina leaves, oil and ghee, salt according to taste, turmeric powder half a teaspoon of soap, cinnamon 1 piece, 3 cloves, 2 cardamoms, 5 to 6 garlics, ginger piece 1 piece, 3 green chilies, garam masala 1 teaspoon, red chili powder 1 teaspoon, fried bread 1 bowl, water according to requirement. Now switch on the stove, take a cooker, let it get heated. Now add 2 tablespoons of oil and 1 tablespoon of ghee. Let it get heated. Now add cloves, cinnamon, cardamom. Sim down the flame. Now I have crushed the ginger and garlic. I am going to add this. Now we fry for just 1 second. Then going to add, I have cut the green chilies, I have slit it. We will add this. Then to this itself we will add small onions. Fry for just a second. Then we are going to add vegetables one by one. Turnip, 1 bowl of turnip. Then beans. Then carrot. We will mix it thoroughly. Now add a 1/4 teaspoon of salt and mix it thoroughly. Then we will keep a lid on it and let it cook in this oil itself. Meanwhile we will puree the tomato. Now I have cut the tomatoes into pieces. We will take this into the mixie jar and run the mixie until it become puree. Now it has become puree. Now open the lid. Mix it thoroughly. Now we will add soap to it. Half a teaspoon of soap. You can add the soap in the beginning itself, but it will leave the aroma very strongly. Soap's aroma will be very strong. So I prefer to add in the middle of the process. Now we will add pudina, 1 cup of pudina finely chopped. This is nearly half a bunch of the pudina. Mix it thoroughly. Keep the flame in the medium one now. Now time to add hyacinth beans, peeled 1 bowl. Mix it thoroughly. Now we will add half a teaspoon of turmeric powder. Then 1 teaspoon of red chili powder. You add according to your taste. We have already added the green chilies also. Then 1 teaspoon of garam masala. This one also you can add according to your taste. Mix it thoroughly. Now we will add the required amount of salt also. Already I have added a quarter teaspoon of salt. Now I am going to add a tablespoon of salt. Mix it thoroughly. Now to this we will add the washed. I have washed the rice and kept. I have taken 2 glasses. Mix it thoroughly so that all the ingredients will mix together. If you fry the rice in this, it will become very tasty. It won't be soggy also. Just a second, you fry this in the with all the ingredients so that it won't be soggy. Now I am going to add the tomato puree. After adding the tomato puree, mix it thoroughly so that all the ingredients will be coated with the tomato puree. Now it is done. Now we will add the water. I have taken the rice in this glass, 2 glasses. So I am going to add 3 glasses of water. For 1 glass of rice, 1.5 glass of water. So totally 3 glasses of water. 1, 2, 3. This is for rice. For all the vegetables and hyacinth beans, another quarter glass of water is enough. Now mix it thoroughly. Give a nice mix. You taste this water. If you want anything, you can adjust according to your taste. Salt or chili powder you can add and you can adjust it. Now after mixing, finally add half a bowl of coriander leaf. Other half we will add in the garnishing. Now close the lid and allow it for 3 whistles. The veg biryani will be ready to serve. Now after 3 whistles, we will check whether it is done or not. Yes, it is done. Now add a teaspoon of ghee to it. It will give nice aroma. Then add coriander leaves. Now we are going to add the fried bread pieces. This is purely optional. Now give a nice mix and it will be ready to serve. Now the tasty biryani is ready to serve. You can serve this with any raita. Actually biryanis are done in different ways. This is one of the variety of the biryani. I will show the different varieties in my future videos. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel Sunita's Kitchen Stories. Thank you.